मैडम 3 घंटे मैडम 1 मिनट अच्छा फोटो नहीं मिलेगा
मैं भी 3 घंटे से आके आपके लिए वेट कर रही हूँ।
अरे हम लोग तो आए थे हम लोग कब से आए हैं बेटी मैम सामने देखिए सेंटर ओके क्या बात है मैम मैम सेंटर
राइट में देखो मैडम।
Okay.
थैंक यू
Make sure you print a good picture.
चलो 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 चलो
Well, this is 2017 और मेरे लिए this year is dedicated to women. So starting with this Free Gain Rogaine, which is a product aimed at women going through menopause. अभी आप इस प्रोडक्ट के बारे में समझेंगे तो लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स क्या होता है स्पेशली इंडिया में विमेन को वंस से रीच अ सर्टन एज उन्हें पता नहीं चलता कि उनकी लाइफ में क्या हो रहा है, बाल झड़ रहे हैं, वेट गेन हो रहा है, डिप्रेशन हो रही है। तो एक नेचुरल प्रोडक्ट है जो कि एवरी वुमन शुड हैव once she crosses a certain age and starts getting menopausal. So this is the first step is creating awareness for menopause and इस साल आप देखेंगे कि एक और मेरा नया एक मेरा बहुत क्लोज टू माय हार्ट प्रोजेक्ट जो कि 5 साल से मैं काम कर रही हूँ जिसके लिए और विमेन सेफ्टी वो भी लॉन्च हो रहा है। सो दिस इज़ माय ईयर 2017 डेडिकेटेड टू ऑल द वुमेन इन इंडिया।
प्रीति आप हमेशा सोशल कॉज के लिए जुड़ी हो स्पेशली वुमेन्स के लिए, तो कहीं ना कहीं आपको नहीं लगता कि सप्लीमेंट्स जो है इफेक्ट भी करती है और फ़ायदेमंद भी होते हैं, तो क्या लगता है इसका?
देखिए वन ऑफ द मेन प्रॉब्लम्स इन वुमेन इन इंडिया फेस इज़ ऑस्टियोपोरोसिस जो कि कैल्शियम की डेफिशिएंसी होती है। तो ये जो प्रोडक्ट है ये नेचुरल है। आई ऑलवेज बिलीव मोर इन नेचुरल प्रोडक्ट्स। सो इसमें फ्रॉम कैल्शियम टू सोया टू वाइटामिन्स टू मिनरल्स एंड all these products are very important for your body because they're natural. So this is the first step towards creating awareness and yes.
मतलब किसी भी ब्रांड के साथ एसोसिएट होने से पहले किन किन बातों का ध्यान रखते हैं?
वेल ऑब्वियसली ब्रांड कॉन्शियस हूँ। डेफिनेटली उम्मीद और कोशिश तो ये होती है कि अच्छे ब्रांड के साथ एसोसिएट हो बिकॉज जैसे ब्रांड भी चाहता है कि वो सेलिब्रिटी के साथ इमेज इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड आई थिंक क्रेडिबिलिटी इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। सो दिस इज़ अ क्रेडिबल ब्रांड, इट्स अ नेचुरल ब्रांड विच इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड दिस इज़ प्योरली गियर्ड टुवर्ड्स वुमेन।
महिलाओं की बहुत कुछ करती
के
है
बाद बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम्स होती है स्पेशली लेडीज़ को, तो क्या ये इसके लिए फायदेमंद?
दिस इज़ टिपिकली एम्ड एट मेनोपॉज। सो मेनोपॉज प्रेगनेंसी के बाद ही आता है। सो आई थिंक ये अवेयरनेस बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है बिकॉज जब एक औरत की ज़िंदगी में मेनोपॉज आता है वो उस वक्त होती है जब उनके बच्चे पढ़ाई लिखाई करके घर से बाहर चले जाते हैं, हस्बैंड इज़ गेटिंग द बेस्ट प्रमोशन ऑफ हिज लाइफ, ही इज़ वेरी हैप्पी कि यू नो उनकी लाइफ में वो ऐसे पद पे चले जाते हैं कि वो बहुत ऊंचाई पे अपने करियर में होते हैं। लेकिन जो बीवी घर पे होती है वो एक फॉरगॉटन वुमन बन जाती है, उसे ये समझ नहीं आ रहा होता है कि उनके बाल क्यों झड़ रहे हैं, उनकी बॉडी को क्या हो रहा है, वेट क्यों गेन हो रहा है। तो दे स्टार्ट गोइंग थ्रू लॉट ऑफ डिप्रेशन एंड दिस इज़ अ वेरी सिंपल एंड अ नेचुरल वे टू अवॉइड डिप्रेशन एंड जो कि बॉडी में चेंजेस आते हैं वो बॉडी ये उन चेंजेस को इट मेक्स इट ईजियर।
तो प्रीति कहीं ना कहीं आप भी नहीं बनना चाहोगे क्योंकि आप
मुझे पता था आप ज़रूर कोई ऐसा सवाल पूछेंगे। तो आर वी रेडी टू गो?
प्रीति
अभी
प्रीति क्या कहना चाहिए?
आईपीएल आ रहा है, आप भी काफ़ी प्रमोट करते हुए नजर आ रहे हैं, तो क्या कहना चाहिए इसकी तैयारी हो चुकी है आईपीएल की?
वेल आई होप 2017 हमारे लिए लकी रहे। इस बार वीरेंद्र सहवाग टीम को लीड कर रहे हैं एज आवर मेंटोर एज क्रिकेट ऑपरेशन स्ट्रैटेजी। सो ऑफ कोर्स आई होप कि वी डू रियली रियली वेल पर इररिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ IPL बिकॉज IPL इज़ गियर टुवर्ड्स मेन। 2017 फॉर मी इज़ ओनली द ईयर फॉर वुमेन। और आप देखेंगे कि एज आई सेड अर्लियर कि वन ऑफ माई पेट प्रोजेक्ट्स जो कि 5 साल से हम काम कर रहे हैं फाइनली इस साल लॉन्च होगा। अभी आई डोंट वांट टू टॉक अबाउट दिस, इट्स नॉट फेयर टू दिस प्रोडक्ट बट इट्स गियर टुवर्ड्स वुमेन सेफ्टी एंड वुमेन सेफ्टी विद अवेयरनेस, ब्रेन्स एंड स्ट्रेंथ। ओके थैंक यू। यार मेरा नाम अनाउंस कर रहे हैं वहाँ।
We're just going to give a moment to
press to click pictures. Ladies and gentlemen, if you will, in the meantime, please join me in welcoming the very gorgeous Preeti Zinta, our brand ambassador, and Nilakshi Singh Sharma. She's here this evening with us today. And as we proceed with the launch, which is right here, you can see, we have Free Lady Regain Nutraceutical Menopause Supplement. I'm going to request Nilakshi ma'am to please say a few words.
Good evening, everybody. We are glad to have the gracious presence of Ms. Preeti Zinta here for this great product launch event of our first of its kind unique nutraceutical supplement for menopausal women in India. We warmly welcome you. We are highly thankful to press from various media houses, all eminent guests, renowned artists who have performed very well here, all distinguished doctors, company officials, friends and family for being here and making this launch event a great success. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am. So before I ask Ms. Zinta to say a few words, I'd like to tell all of you that we are extremely, extremely glad to have her support. And before we proceed for anything else, since we're talking about the launch of this product, I'm going to be requesting a gentleman to join us. But before that, may I kindly request you ladies to please take a seat right there. And I'm going to be requesting you to join me back in the next few moments, please.
Okay, I just want to say good evening, everyone. Thank you all for being here. I'm sitting right there. Hi, good evening, everyone. I'm back. Is someone else going to be coming here? Oh, so... Well, I'm very happy to be associated with this brand, especially because it's talking about menopause, something in our society we barely discuss. Most of the women I know are mothers, and all the other women who are not career women spend most of their lives taking care of their children when they're young, their husbands, all their lives. And very few of them are actually aware what's happening to them, and suddenly they start going through these changes in their lives when the children are probably in school or college and they're out of the house. They don't need their mother anymore. The husband is probably getting the best promotion of his job. All the wonderful things are happening in everyone's life, and suddenly the woman who has literally become the forgotten woman in the house is wondering, why am I gaining weight? Why am I losing hair? Why am I feeling miserable? And it's really sad that she doesn't know, a lot of times she doesn't know what's happening, and she starts going through depression. So I think this is a wonderful product to come, A, because it's natural, and B, because it'll actually open that dialogue and create awareness between all the women that this is a natural phenomena that's happening, and it's called menopause, and it can be dealt with, and it can make your life very, very easy. I'm very, very happy and proud to be associated with this product because it is a very, very quality product, and again, I'm saying it's a natural product. So here I am. I'm going to open the floor for the question and answer. So it's a short and sweet
Thank
talk.
you. May I kindly request you be seated, please? And may I request Dr. R.K. Sanghvi, may I request Mr. Juneja and Mr. Ganesh Kamath. He's the R&D advisor. May I request you to please join her on stage for the Q&A?
Good evening to all. Congratulations, Preeti. I'd like to ask you that being a woman, how will you define woman empowerment?
Is that for me?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Well, I thought you were looking there. I was wondering, sorry. So what did you say?
Being a woman, how will you define woman empowerment?
How will you define women empowerment? Well, I think the fact that just the power for a woman to have on her own body. Let's not start with going outside the house and doing bigger things in life. But as I've used this word before also right now, a couple of seconds ago, saying the forgotten woman, many women in India become the forgotten woman because, you know, her way of empowering herself is by empowering her family, taking care of her husband, taking care of her children, doing everything in her power to make sure everybody around her is comfortable. That's the first step that a woman does in her house. but stepping out is a whole different thing, and doing things. But here I would just like to come to the very basic of it, to have the power to feel comfortable with your own body and the hormonal changes that are happening to you. So pretty simply said, in reference to the launch of what we're talking about.
Yeah. And second question is, what message would you like to give to other women who are staying in this male-dominated society?
Well, males also come out of females, right? So I think that's very important to realize and not forget. But this year is a special year, 2017, for me, very, very special, because it's my year for the woman, and it is absolutely my year dedicated to women in India. That's why I was very, very happy to be associated with this product. And as in a couple of months, you will hear something else, a very strong association I have with women, women's security, that will be coming out. But I think women should have all the dreams they want to have and not limit themselves anymore. I mean, not limit themselves beyond that this is what I can do and this is what I cannot do. So it is male dominated, but I think it's probably the best time for women in India, because today more women are working than they ever did. In the corporate world, you see many, many, many more women in every office, from, let it be from entertainment to pharmaceuticals to telecoms to everywhere. You actually see more women today than anywhere else. So it's a good time for the women. I think women supporting women is equally important than men supporting women. I mean, I could do a whole lecture on this, but I'll move to the next question. Sorry, I'm trying to keep... उधर से ही सवाल आ रहे हैं और तो कोई सवाल पूछ ही नहीं रहा है एक ही आदमी बेचारे
Good evening, guys. Question for you. This product was launched, I guess it's being launched today. My name is Dhaval, by the way, Dhaval Sanghvi. Dr. R.K. Sanghvi is my cousin. I'm assuming you guys will be partnering up with the government to do something about this issue and talking about this issue, because this issue is just not based in like big cities. It's also prevalent in rural part of India. So what are you guys planning to do about that?
I think we were already thinking on that lines. Whatever you said, it was actually at the back of our mind, and we are working towards that. Thank you. We didn't want to reveal that actually.
I think maybe this is a question for the men, for all the husbands and all the fathers. I'm sorry, for the husbands and the sons. They've always had chances in life where the mother or the wife has always taken care of them. So maybe this would be a good step for them to step up and take care. And as they say, actions speak louder than words. So maybe they could just buy one of these and take it home and get some good karma, right? Right?
Yeah. My question is for Preeti.
Yeah.
Love your bling watch and love your solitaire. What exactly is the reason for you to choose this particular initiative? And has there been any cases in your personal life pertaining to any of your family members who've actually gone through a rough phase of the menopause? And what are the learnings you've had from such a personal case which has transpired in your life?
Well, first of all, thanks for the compliment on my bling. And why I have chosen, I've always been a champion for women in this country. But as I said earlier, 2017 is a very, very special year for me. It is a year focused on women in India. And when this opportunity came to be part of this, with all my awareness and all my travel and all my education, even I didn't know so many things about menopause. And yes, I do know women that have gone through it and who didn't understand it. I myself didn't understand, including friends and family, that why such behavior. And I think just basic awareness is so important. You know, the biggest problems can be sorted first by realizing what the problem is. If you don't know what the problem is, your mind goes in total different things. Just simple things like women, as they get older, they tend to get osteoporosis, which can become a major problem in their lives. So this, because of the calcium and the vitamin D and the other stuff that's in it, it takes care of that. The fact that women are going through depression, you know, you can eat medicines to take care of different things, but depression is something, once you get into that hole in your head, you don't know where it's going. And especially for the woman who is sitting at home. It's okay when you have a job because you go out, you have work to do, you're meeting different people, and if you do well in life, you get a promotion. But have you ever thought, does your mom get a promotion? Do you ever come and tell her, this is a bonus, mom? Actually, no. When you have a party, you run off with your friends. When life is great, you run off with your girlfriend or your wife. A lot of times, like, the woman at home who actually has a job which is 24/7 is never rewarded, never taken care of, never understood. So I think it's, in some ways, it's great that this is being discussed today so that all those people can actually sit and introspect. I mean, one of the things we talked about when we were shooting the film was, have you ever gone to your mother and said, your mother's come up to you and said, beta, what will you eat? And you'll say, mom, make anything. Or when she makes anything, you're like, why did you make this? Phir se yahi bana diya, har roz yahi banate ho. And you know, there is no gratification. I think a simple thing like a thank you, a simple thing like, if you're not feeling too good, let me at least wonder what it is. And you know, instead of buying her flowers, maybe if you get her this, it will probably help her. So it's not a small step, it's a very big step towards the health of a woman in your family. And everybody, if somebody doesn't have a sister, they definitely have a mother, right? So at some stage in their lives, I think it's time to look towards her and think about her. So I do identify with it because I've seen it around me. I myself didn't know half these things, and it's like it was like we'd kind of joke about it. Oh, she must be going through menopause, but you never really sat and actually thought what it is when women go through that. And especially, I mean, maybe if you did something for somebody every single day of your life and they never appreciate it, you would actually understand what your mother goes through. So after that day, I was like, I love you, mom. So, you know.
One more question is, do you feel that women of today still live the fear of disclosing the menopausal period with their family?
I mean, it's kind of sad. Younger women will not discuss having their periods. Older women will not discuss when they stopped. So, and these are the closest people to you, right? And if you can't disclose and you can't talk about your closest problems to your family, then I don't think shame on you. I think shame on your family because you do so much for them all the time. So I think this is very important that this kind of awareness comes within the family also. And not so much the women, but the men, for them to open these kind of dialogues. So it will be a very healthy atmosphere for the family. Right, doctor?
I think so, yeah. Absolutely.
Doctor daughters.
Hello. Hi, ma'am. This question is for you. Actually, we are covering this session live on Facebook. So, could you please give a message to your fans as to why a conversation about menopause is important and is like needed, and why should we talk about it on social media and all?
Sorry? What's the last bit?
Why should we talk about it on social media and all?
Well, because we've all come out of our mother's stomachs, and we should all, I mean, I think there is a limit to how much you can take in life. I think it's time to give back. It's time to appreciate your mother, because one day you will be a mother too. And that's what my mother tells me. The day you will be a mother, you'll understand why I keep saying, what time are you coming home? What do you want to eat? Because sometimes even I'm like, just leave me alone, I'll be fine. And so I think why we should talk about it is because it's time to give back to your mother. It's time to give back to your wife. And as I said earlier, being career women, we get the gratification when we work hard, and we get the promotions, and we get the bonuses. But the bonus for your mother who stays at home is her family appreciating her, understanding her problems, and being sensitive about it. It's not always about us. It's also about her. So just simply that.